Hello friends, this is a 2-mark question on DSA on topic stacks and queues. The question reads as follows. Following arithmetic expression is given in infix notation. For the given expression, if postfix notation is evaluated using stack, then how many pop operations will be needed to obtain the final result into given variable? To answer this question, we first need to determine the postfix notation for the given expression. The postfix notation for the given expression is given by and is explained here. To determine the postfix notation for the given expression, we need to scan the expression from the left to right and insert the operator into the stacks based on the priority, and whenever we encounter the operand we can immediately output it to the console. So let us see the given expression. The first token is 5, which is an operand, so we write it as it is. The next token is multiplication operator, so we insert it into the stack. Next token is the opening brace, which has higher precedence than the multiplication operator, so we insert it into the stack. Later we have token 6, which is an operand, so we append it to the output. After this we encounter plus operator, so we insert it into the stack. Next we get 2, which is again an operand, so we append it to the output. After 2, the next token is closing brace. Hence we pop up all the operators till we encounter the opening brace in the stack, which is nothing but the addition operator here, and we append that operator to the output. We then discard the opening brace from the stack. Later we encounter the subtraction operator, which has lower precedence than the only operator in stack, which is a multiplication operator. So we pop the multiplication operator and append it to the output and insert the subtraction operator into the stack. The next symbol is 12, which is again an operand, so we append it to the output. Later we encounter the division operator, so we insert it or push it into the stack. And finally we have 4, so we append it 4 to the output and pop the all operator from the stack and append it one by one. So we have the division operator followed by the subtraction operator. Now we need to evaluate this expression using stack, which is explained as follows. The first symbol scan while evaluating this expression would be 5, so we add 5 as it is to the stack. The next symbol is 6, which is again an operand, so we add it to the stack. Later we encounter 2, which is again an operand, so we push it into the stack. After 2 we have the addition operator, so we pop 2 elements from the stack, which is 6 and 2, do the addition operation and insert the result into the stack. Later we have the multiplication operator, so we again pop 2 elements from this stack, which are 8 and 5, and push the result, which is 40, into the stack. At this 2 step we need to perform 2 pops at each step to pop the 2 operands. Next we have 12 in the postfix notation, which is an operand, so we insert it into the stack. After 12 we have 4, which is again an operand, So we push it into the stack. The next symbol is the division operator. So we pop two elements from the stack which are 4 and 12 and do the division operation between them and insert 3, which is the result of this operation, into the stack. Finally, we have the subtraction operator. So we pop two elements from the stack and do the subtraction operation between them. So we have 37, which we again push it into the stack. So at this last three steps, we have 2, 2 and 1 pop respectively. So in total, we will need 9 pops to calculate the result of given arithmetic expression, which is nothing but 37, and the number of pops required would be 9. So the correct answer to the above question would be 9. Thank you.